question, you have to point out the correct pair from the following. Option A, nucleases separate the two strands of DNA. This is incorrect. Nucleases are enzymes that cut or degrade DNA or RNA, that is nucleic acids, by breaking the phosphodiester bonds, but they do not separate DNA strands. Option B, exonuclease, makes cuts at specific positions within DNA. This is also incorrect. Exonucleases remove nucleotides from the ends of the DNA strands, and it is the function of the endonucleases which cut within the DNA at specific positions. Option C, ligases join the two DNA molecules. Now, DNA ligases are enzymes that join two DNA fragments by forming phosphodiester bonds between them, and this enzyme is very important for DNA repair as well as replication. DNA ligase joins DNA fragments by catalyzing the formation of phosphodiester bonds between the 3' hydroxyl and 5' phosphate groups. Hence, this is the correct option. Option D, polymerases break the DNA into fragments. This is also incorrect. Polymerases synthesize new strands of DNA or RNA by adding nucleotides to the growing chain, and it does not break the DNA into fragments.